to talk a little bit about resin and catastrophic failures of resin in a water softener. You've probably heard a friend or somebody that you know that says their water softener blew up and pumped all the resin beads inside the house. And that can happen if there's high water pressure or there's a catastrophic failure inside the tank. This is a standard distributor tube that is in most tanks. Goes down to the bottom of the tube, goes all the way up to the top. And what happens is when the resin starts to deteriorate, it can build up pressure and it will break these little fins off of this screen that sits on the bottom, and then all that resin can escape and go inside your house, get in all your plumbing fixtures. There's two ways that you can solve this problem if you'd like. There's called a resin trap that goes on the outlet side usually of the water softener and will catch any resin that could possibly escape from the water softener itself before it goes into the house. We've tried a couple different models of these and we've had trouble with them cracking, leaking, and so we're not a big fan of these at all. The other way is use the Vortec tank that we've been using for years and years. It takes away this small screen right there, and the whole plate is molded out of a very heavy plastic material, and it reduces the possibility of getting resin inside the house drastically. It could still happen, but it's much reduced. So on the new systems, Aqua Systems has come up with a unique idea. We put a resin screen, if you will, inside the control valve itself that would catch anything. It's not a standalone filter. It can't crack, it can't leak or anything else. So we really think we've found the perfect solution for that problem. So if you know of anybody in your neighborhood or family member that you've heard the resin escape and go inside the house, you'll know that if you buy one of our pieces of equipment, the chance of that happening is greatly reduced, if not totally eliminated. Thank you.